Yo, 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 what's up, Tony? And the Lab App Universe. It's Gavin Sigamani VIP tuning in from South Africa. Behind me there is my Lada Niva SUV that I've recently restored after being involved in an horrific crash. And I just want to say I've been able to restore it back into shape and the way I want it just by watching learnautobodyandpaint.com videos. Seeing Tony, aka Mr. Boss Painter, in action has really inspired me and helped me achieve talents that I never thought I'd be able to achieve. Tony has given me, or should I say, in every video of Tony's, he gives in-depth the best techniques, how to, and the best results to accomplish in doing auto body when it comes to auto body and paint. And also for you guys out there who are looking into doing small time projects or even painting a whole car, you guys should really look into the program that Tony runs. It's the VIP course that you should find on learnautobodyandpaint.com. In there you'll find that Tony will give in detail instructables on how to go by doing and achieving the best results when it comes to auto body and paint. I personally feel and would recommend that you guys should really give it a try because it's worth the shot. Every single chapter in the VIP e-learning course, that's what I like to call it, is worth every bit. It's something out of this world, and it's basically a whole new universe. You won't regret it, and it's the best thing that you can ever do. Until next time, cheers guys, have a good one. Peace.